Good morning. Today I'm going to teach you more about narration. So, dialogue transformation are very common in your examination, and most of you make many mistakes because you're not acquainted with the rules. I've already taught you narration and reported speech, but this time I'm going to teach you how to transform an imperative sentence and an interrogative sentence into indirect expression. So let's start. Principal, why were you absent last week? Student, I was absent because I was not well. Principal, what will happen to your studies now? Student, I will work hard to complete them. तो इस कॉन्वर्सेशन में हम देखते हैं कि कॉन्वर्सेशन प्रिंसिपल और स्टूडेंट के बीच में हो रही है. इसका मतलब ये है कि यहाँ दो सब्जेक्ट हैं, फर्स्ट पर्सन है और सेकंड पर्सन है, और सेकंड पर्सन को जो रिपोर्ट कर रहा है वो थर्ड पर्सन होगा. यहाँ ऐसे सेंटेंस में हम क्या करते हैं कि यू जो है वो ही और शी में हम इसको कन्वर्ट करते हैं, उसको हम थर्ड पर्सन बना लेते हैं. जैसे कि प्रिंसिपल, वाई वर यू एब्सेंट लास्ट वीक. द प्रिंसिपल आस्क्ड वाई ही हैड बीन एब्सेंट लास्ट वीक. Student, I was absent because I wasn't well. The student replied that he had been absent because he had not been well. He had been absent because he had not been well simply means that whenever we are transforming a sentence which is in past simple, we will convert it into past perfect tense. तो हैड बीन का हम यूज़ करेंगे. प्रिंसिपल, व्हाट विल हैपन टू योर स्टडीज़ नाउ. अब यहाँ हम देखते हैं कि विल जो है वो फ्यूचर को इंडिकेट कर रहा है, लेकिन जब हम इसको रिपोर्ट करते हैं तो विल जो है ये क्या होता है, ये पास्ट बन जाता है. किसी पास्ट के इवेंट को ही हम रिपोर्ट करते हैं, तो ये विल जो है वो वुड में चेंज हो जाएगा. प्रिंसिपल फर्दर आस्क्ड व्हाट वुड हैपन टू हिज स्टडीज़ देन. नाउ विल बी चेंज इनटू देन. Student, I will work hard to complete them. The student replied that he would work hard to complete them. So let's see the example of how to convert imperative sentence into indirect speech. So simple formula of this is using let. सबसे पहले हम इसमें let का यूज़ करते हैं. For example, पोस्ट द लेटर. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, लेटर हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है, अब इसके पहले हम लगा देंगे लेट. लेट द लेटर बी पोस्टेड. तो इस तरह से इसका जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो है लेट प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस बी प्लस V3. लेट द लेटर बी पोस्टेड. So let's do next exercise which is based on imperative sentence. Put coffee powder and sugar into a cup. Pour some hot milk. Stir it well for 5 minutes. Add hot milk to it. Add a pinch of cinnamon powder for flavor. Serve hot. Now you see that all the sentence is starting with verb. That means they are imperative sentence. Now we will apply the same formula on all the sentences. To prepare instant coffee, coffee powder and sugar are mixed in a cup. और इसको हम ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं, let coffee powder and sugar be mixed into a cup. Some hot water dash into the cup and the mixture is dash for about 5 minutes. Now the answer will be some hot water is poured into the cup and the mixture is stirred for about 5 minutes. So you can transform the same sentence by using let also. For example, let some hot water be poured into the cup. Some hot water dash into the cup and the mixture is dash for about 5 minutes. So let's transform it. Let some hot water be poured into the cup and let this mixture be stirred for about 5 minutes. So in this way we see that whenever we transform an imperative sentence into indirect speech, we use let. And whenever we transform a sentence that starts with question words like what, why, when, how, we use the structure question word plus subject plus verb, and the verb keeps changing according to the form of tenses. For example, he asked, where did you go? He asked where he went. The teacher asked, why were you absent? The teacher asked, why I had been absent. Where does she live? The answer will be he asked where she lived. Not where does she live, where she lived. So, in this way, you have seen how to transform the imperative and interrogative expression into direct speech. So, I hope you have understood this and you will practice it at home. Thanks a lot.